Hi friends, I use Fedora 34 and I tried to update my system after boot on. Now it's waiting for process with a page 2695 to finish. So now the video we see about this. Let's go to the video. So before we know about it, you can see other distro like Ubuntu or Arch based on anything. Any one time you can see it like this, waiting for some other process finish. This also say to me something working on with it, so you must wait for it or your work done after this work. So let's know what's the work. The work is just I try to update the DNF or the my packages. So what my system do with it? Basically the updating process or auto check. I mean, once you boot on, enter your OS try to check the updates for this. So my Fedora system try to check my system before me. So it's beat me. So we now are waiting for it finish. Now we do it. Okay, I can manually delete the log file. Means now I try to delete the log file. It can stop the process. Okay, we must search the log file. It's basically located on /var/catch/dnf. So it may change distro like Ubuntu or Arch. But my Fedora it's located on var/catch/dnf slash some metadata underscore log dot pid. It's extension with pid. I delete it. Now you see my update process can manually trigger bit then automatic. So now the problem is solved. So another way to it solve, make peace, try to wait, because this process can automatically solve by itself. To some time takes you that's consider about your internet speed. I have low internet speed, so I can tell this. So if you have some good speed of internet, you can rarely notice this like problem. Now this is the end of. Thanks for watching. Keep try to solve unsolved problems. Make a problem to unsolve.